Slow drain. This will not move. I think I'm gonna have to cut it off. I don't know. It literally will not move. Been banging on it with everything I got here. Golly. Golly, what a freaking... Had to cut the whole thing out. Because that ring on there is rotted. It's all rotted out. I couldn't see it to pull it off. Freaking piece of junk, man. Oh, man. All right, let's disconnect the wire. Man, that's the hardest disposal I've ever taken out right there. Ooh. Let's clean this up a little bit. These wire nuts. Nice and clean. Let's go dump this, get some putty, and install. First up, loosen these and take off this little retention clip right here. Don't forget, in-sync aerator goes at the top. Oh yeah. And what I always do, take this and it holds it down while you try to put this nonsense in place. Man, that was hard to get on. I've never had that much trouble before. I just used that to hold it in place. If anybody has any tips to make that easier, comment below. You jokes. Seriously, what the heck was all that? That took forever. Where's my... Now you tighten these evenly. Let's get them snug. Okay, now they're even. Now you ratchet them down. It does work. This cord it's too short, dude. Like, I gotta put this all the way back there. I gotta put this all the way back there to hook it up. It's ridiculous. I had to uninstall the entire drain just so I could get in here. Now, white to white, black to red wire nuts. Boy, this is just giving me so much trouble. Even the new one. It just doesn't want to work with me. There's no dishwasher, so leave that in. Do you install it like that? Or do you install it like this? With that flange up against it. There you go. That was legit the hardest garbage disposal, removal, and install I've ever done. No joke. I'm not just saying that. That really gave me troubles. Okay. Nice. Well, the trap's leaking. I can fix that. Aside from that, no leaky leaks up there. There's a stupid trap light leaking. Where is it leaking? I can't remember who, but someone commented the other day on a video. They're like, you put pipe dope on ABS, you know that rots out the ABS. I'm like, okay, bud. Some of the comments on YouTube are just, some can be really helpful, but I swear, like, the majority of negative comments, you can tell people aren't in their right mind. It seems like, at least to me. But if it rots out ABS, I guess we'll find out in 20 years. There's no way. I can tell you this doesn't say anything on there. Because I actually looked. When they said that, I was like, oh, interesting. Because I'm always down to learn from people. But when you're a dick about it, you're usually wrong. That's what I found. When someone's constructive criticizing, it's like, okay. But rarely when someone's a jerk. Are they right about it? That I've found. So, rot away, ABS. As long as you stop leaking. That's all your boy cares about. That's all that it needed. A little Smurf jism. A little lube never hurt nobody. A little lube never hurt nobody. That's it, folks.